In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to M1 reset in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you basic instructions on how to M1 reset in Jujutsu Shenanigans, and I'm gonna give you ideas on what you can use this on to combo your enemies into other moves. Keep in mind that I am a newbie, and this is simply going to be basic instructions on what this means and how you can get better at doing this. So basically, when you dash forward, you will always perform a punch at the end of your combo. So as you can see here, at the end of your dash rather, you will do a punch regardless of the direction that you go towards. Now, if the dash is performed after you do 3 melee combo hits on an enemy, the dash punch will trigger the knockback and it is going to ragdoll the opponent. Now, to prevent this and keep your opponent within range where you can attack them, you can do essentially an M1 reset. So basically, all that you have to do is punch them twice and then use the dash punch in order to reset the punch combo. This punch can be triggered early if you enter range of an enemy within the later portion of the dash, and additionally you have extreme control over the direction of the dash, meaning that you can dash around block. So once again, you try to do 2 moves and then you dash and then complete the combo. Like I said, I cannot demonstrate this too well, but if you are able to do the dash as the third part of your combo, you will be able to hit them and then hit them back using the dash. So I recommend that you go into a practice mode server or a private server and you try this and you will be able to reliably get it done. Now, right now the dummy is stuck, but if I'm able to get him out here, I'll be able to show you essentially what it looks like. And as long as you practice this timing of getting the third and the fourth punch done using the dash, you will be able to run around your enemy and cancel it all together. I hope I was able to help you on how to M1 reset in Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.